How to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually sign out your YouTube account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to sign out your YouTube account from other devices, all you have to do is open up YouTube. Now you don't sign out your YouTube account from other devices, you actually sign out your Google account from other devices. Now after you open the YouTube app, tap your profile icon from the very top right hand side, and then here you'll find an option that says manage your Google account. Tap on manage your Google account. Once you tap on manage your Google account, from the top of this menu bar you want to simply head over to the security option, which is C. Once you go to the security option, you'll land on this page over here, and where you just need to scroll down until you get to the devices section, and then here you'll find all the devices. So just tap on manage all devices button here. Once you tap on manage all devices, you'll be able to see a list of devices where my YouTube or even my Google account is currently logged in. If I'd like to log out of it, just select a specific device here. Once you select a specific device, I'll just tap on this little sign out button that you see. Once you tap on sign out, it'll ask you for a confirmation. Tap on sign out and your Google account or your YouTube account will be successfully removed from those devices. Now you can repeat the process for any of the other devices that you might want to remove from. This is how you can sign out YouTube account from other device. We hope the video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.